Calculorama had a net income of $5 million in 2020, while a small competing company, Computafest, had a net income of $2 million. The management of Calculorama develops a business plan for future growth that projects an increase in net income of $0.5 million per year, while the management of Computafest develops a plan aimed at increasing its net income by 15% each year. Create standard mathematical models, table, graph, and equations for the projected net income over time for both companies. Okay, let's start with the table. Let's make a table here. And let's put T for years and I for income. So then we'll have 0 years and let's see, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Could probably go out to 5 years. Now income, it says they start out with $5 million in income and they're increasing by 0.5 each year. So we start out at 5 and then we add 0.5 to get 5.5. Another 0.5 gets us to 6. Another 0.5 gets us to 6.5. Another 0.5 gets us to 7. Another 0.5 gets us to 7.5. So now if we graph these, we can, let's do income. I want to do this in blue. Let's do time on the horizontal axis. This is going to be, let's do time in years. And let's do income on the vertical axis, millions of dollars. Okay. And now let's plot the points. Well, actually, we need to scale first. Let's scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is probably far enough. This is going up to 7.5, so maybe I can go by 2s. Could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. All right, let's plot some points. I've got a point here at 0, 5. At 1, we're now at 5.5. So here's 5.5. And then at 2, we're at 6. At 3, we're at 6.5. At 4, we're at 7. Right there. And we can connect these with a smooth curve or line. Like that. All right, now thinking about the equation of this line, we can use y equals mx plus b, where we have y equals, and my slope is how much I'm changing from x values as they increase by 1. So it looks like here, as x increases by 1, I'm increasing by 0.5, so I'm going to have a 0.5 here. And then my b value is whatever my y-intercept is, so that's plus 5. And actually, since I use the letters t and I here, maybe it would make more sense to do income equals 0.5 t, where this is, that's our income, and this is our time in years.